Welcome back. It's Clubhouse upgrade time. Welcome back to beautiful Dragonfly Ridge in Beaver Valley, Ontario, into the second major Clubhouse upgrade. You're going to want to watch this video right to the end because this is a huge upgrade. In this video, I'll show you the most recent additions to our Clubhouse, which include a cedar sauna, a hot tub and cold plunge, huge improvements to the golf simulator room layout and usability, and a new pond deck and floating dock. Plus, I'll walk you through two completely new projects that tie everything together. The addition of a brand new guest house and a veranda built right next door, making this the absolute best possible guys' weekend getaway anywhere. I'll link to the separate build videos on the channel for each of the projects you're about to see. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and share, or book your stay with us at DragonflyRidge.ca. This is really the perfect spot for guys' weekends, girls' weekends, and couples' retreats. Okay, let's get into it.
Let's start off with a golf simulator / movie theater. As part of the last upgrade, I changed the layout of the room to increase the screen size from 10 by 10 to 10 by 17 feet. And I upgraded the projector from a 1080p at 2100 lumens to a 4K at 5100 lumens. However, in doing that, I lost the ability to shoot hoops because of the netting I put up across the ceiling to catch my wedge shots. That issue has now been fixed. I removed the overhead netting and replaced it with custom memory foam panels. This freed up the space and opened up the basketball hoop and free throw zone. It's a much cleaner design and really highlights the architectural features of the vaulted ceiling. You can see exactly how I built those panels at the link on screen or by checking out the panel upgrade video on the channel. Next up in the sim room was the garage door. The original idea behind this door was to be able to hit golf balls from inside this heated room out onto the outdoor golf green about 150 yards away over the pond in the winter. Nice idea, just not very practical. In winter, I never opened the door because all the heat would escape. In summer, opening it would just let the bugs in. So I replaced the garage door with a regular insulated exterior door. This opened up the room, removed all the garage door rails, gave it a much cleaner look, and improved the installation. With a regular door making the patio outside much more accessible, I added a hot tub, a cold plunge, and some wood storage, and a chimenea to set the mood. The space outside is a fantastic extension of the clubhouse and has been a game changer for our guests. On a clear night, you get an expansive view of the night sky while sitting by a roaring fire. The only thing that can make this better is a sauna. So, that's what we built. I built a large cedar sauna with a window overlooking the pond. It's accessed directly through the clubhouse, and it's just a few steps from the cold plunge and hot tub. You can check out the full sauna build video at the link here, in the description, or on the channel. Using the sauna during the day gives you a beautiful view of the pond and the surrounding wilderness, while using it at night gives you an awesome view of the night sky. Now, let's take a walk over to the new guest house right next door. We converted this formerly unused garage space into a beautiful guest house and loft. The entire interior is wall-to-wall and floor-to-ceiling tongue and groove cedar. The place smells wonderful. Upstairs, there's a queen bedroom loft with a shower, and downstairs is a unified living area with a bar kitchenette, a convertible sleeping area, and a bathroom. Just outside, you'll find our favorite room on the property, the new veranda. We come out here all the time and cuddle up next to the wood-burning stove. All the bricks for the floor were repurposed from the chimney we took down in the main house years ago. We designed cedar cladding panels to cover the galvanized panels of the garage and tie them into the style of the stairwell inside. You can check out the cladding build video here. We found this amazing table on Marketplace which turned the veranda into a perfect entertaining space. A quick little project that really brought this area to life was the wood storage system. It's a simple, effective, and really attractive design. You can see the video for that on the channel as well. In the winter, we put up vinyl panels over the screen and reinforce them with aircraft cable. This keeps the wind out and allows the wood stove to really warm up the room. The ceiling fan helps push the warm air down from the ceiling and distribute it around the space. And lastly, we built a new 12 by 20 foot deck at the pond with a new 10 by 16 foot floating dock attached. The dock is a game changer. It lets us sit right out in the pond, surrounded by bulrushes. In the summertime at sunset, we come out here and watch what we call the Dragonfly Show. Swarms of large dragonflies in blue, green, and yellow flying all around us, feeding on the evening's insects and protecting us from mosquitoes. It's absolutely magical. From mid-September through early October, we sit here and watch the migration of hundreds of white herons that fly directly across our property each night at sunset and each morning at sunrise. It's a magnificent sight to see.
So that's the recap of all the recent projects. You can find each of the build videos on the channel and linked in the description. I'm always working on something new or improving something here at Dragonfly Ridge. Check out our website at DragonflyRidge.ca or watch our promo video showcasing all the amazing things to do here for the perfect guys getaway, girls getaway, or romantic couples retreat. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and share, or book your stay with us at DragonflyRidge.ca. We hope to see you soon.